In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the highest value in Excel. Whether you're comparing sales, scores, or any list of figures, Excel can instantly reveal the single largest number so you don't have to scan rows by eye. We'll do it with the max function in 3 quick moves. This approach is fast, reliable, and works the same across Excel on Windows, Mac, and the web. Begin by clicking an empty cell where you want the answer to appear. This destination cell should be outside your data so you don't overwrite anything and so the result is easy to find later. Picking a clear spot also makes it simple to reference the answer in other formulas or charts. Now enter the formula. Type an equal sign, then max, followed by an opening parenthesis, equals max. With the parenthesis open, highlight the range that contains the numbers you want Excel to evaluate. Click and drag through a column, row, or a rectangular block, whatever holds your data. As you drag, Excel fills the range address inside the parentheses, such as B2 B100 or B2 D100. If you prefer, you can type the range address yourself instead of dragging. Just make sure it matches the cells that hold your numbers, like A2 A500. You can always edit the address later if your list grows. Aim to include only the values you want considered. Headers or labels are fine to pass over, because text and blanks are ignored. If your range includes errors, those may propagate to the result, so it's best to keep the range clean. When you've selected the right cells, close the parenthesis. Your formula should look like equals max, B2 B100, clearly telling Excel where to search for the highest value. Press Enter to calculate. Excel immediately returns the largest numeric value from that selection. If your dataset has negative numbers, Max still finds the greatest one, which is the value closest to 0. If the top number appears more than once, you'll see that value once. Max reports the value, not its location. The result is dynamic. Anytime numbers in your selected range change, your Max result updates automatically. Because dates are stored as numbers in Excel, using Max on a date column will return the most recent date, which is handy for timelines and project tracking. If something looks off, check that the cells really contain numbers rather than numbers stored as text, and confirm you highlighted the intended range. That's it. Pick a destination cell, write the Max formula with your range, close the parenthesis, and confirm. You now have the highest value in your data, ready to use in summaries, dashboards, or quick checks.